This is an old Inspiron 620, and I actually did the registry. I did the registry mod to install Windows 11. It already had a product key up over here for Windows 7, and so after installing Windows 11 without a product key, I booted into Windows 11, and then again, this is Inspiron 620. I booted into Windows 11 that didn't have a product key, and then went to product key activation and took and entered the Windows 7 product key, and it upgraded. So I wanted to show you here. You can tell by the desktop over here that this is Windows 11 just by the desktop. I didn't customize or anything. I'm going to open this thing over here so I can right click on and show you. Go on to right click this PC and go to properties. And let me show you up here. You can see over here, as I scroll down, there's product key activation, and you can see that here's Windows 11 and it's activated on a, what was the point of making this video? I just want to show that you can install Windows 11 on an old Inspiron 620. This is a desktop made in 2013, so it's a 10-year-old desktop, but it can still run Windows 11. So just wanted to show that in case you're curious if it can install. I think it installed most of the drivers, and so it technically is pretty usable, but who knows, maybe I didn't do enough troubleshooting. So that's my short video. Over and out. I'm gonna put this into storage now.